hope all is well. I know it's been a minute since you've heard my voice. The sound you're hearing is the fan. I really don't feel like turning it off to do a voiceover because it's that hot. My man, it on the AC. It hot bad man. Anyway, today video is going to be on Shenseea. Before we get to the Shenseea, people asking where's the full song for Christopher Martin's song. It's going to be released tomorrow, Friday, July 16th. If it's not July 16th for you already. Now with Shenseea, I'm not here to add nothing or take away nothing. Just listen for yourself and make up on your own mind.
And I don't mind people talking shit. I'm in the world of entertainment. It's gonna come. But for me, if I sit down here so and I give foolishness my time and my day, nope, I have better things to do. I don't have no feud with no artist. So nothing I did for address about that either. Because I made a tweet. And I don't even know who me I talk about. Bro, what? I don't even know what I'm talking about. Like, honestly, you have no clue who I'm talking about. More make for talk. Exactly, I know that. More make for talk. But, yeah, no. I'm going to tell you from now, if you didn't hear from me, don't be quick to believe everything y'all see on the net. And it's weird, you know, because I saw that article and I sent it to someone on my team and was like, yo, can people like really write crazy lies like this on me? Like they can actually do this. I can't sue them now. And they go, yeah, we can get it done for you, but there's gonna be so many people that are gonna do this. If I'm trying to look to go mainstream, it's gonna happen worse. People literally are just gonna get up and fabricate stupid shit and put it on a website, bro. It's not even like you put it up on a mix-up page. No, a website. But then I was like, all right, cool. Let me get in contact with the lawyer because this don't even make no sense. One, the lawyer said it's gonna take too long to get down that story, right? And two, it don't make no sense because people can literally just get up and chat it, post it on a website. So it's gonna come again and again and again. This for me, the way I see it, is just a start. Like, there's worse to come. That's how I feel. But, and that is why I'm telling you now, that there's gonna be worse to come. People are gonna tell much worse lies on me. But don't expect me to come on social media every time some shit go up online. Cause no. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. And then when I check other stories on the same site, I see that it's literally a hate page, a hate website for me. Cause some things that the people them say, I'm like, me? I don't even talk like this, bro. I don't even chat so. Me? First of all, I'm very humble. I saw one of the story where them say, I don't have to go do shows for promoters because I'm big enough now, can do shows for myself, so I'm gonna stop the show for promoter. I'm like, how that even makes sense, dog? And people really would have read them something and believe it. When you see me pop flyers for other different promoters, sometimes I have to read down in it and say, yo, this just not sound right. And publicity stunts, there's certain shit where I just would never do. I take my time. When I just start music, I had 12,000 followers. And I took my time, and now I'm at 4.2 million followers. I'm gonna never have to downgrade myself, right? Or do some work shit for... I'm all about women empowerment. I would never throw myself under the bus for some fame. Excuse me. Never. Don't let them drain the energy. No. You hear me say? A long time the rumor I go about it, I'm not come address nothing, you know. Because me I said me. And I'm happy that I took that break. And I wasn't gonna come off that break for nobody, for no stupid rumor. I was not gonna get off that break because I was already a mess, dealing with my own problems. Me not make nobody draw me out and stress me out. Your personality gave you followers, and that's facts. That is facts. Are you pregnant? It's not about same thing. What? Same damn thing. Am I pregnant? The reason I'm even not talk about this, because when they want to post the manager thing, I saw one comment where a girl say, from I have sex with Drake, everything start go up. I'm like, so wait, I don't actually believe this shit? Like, on a serious? Like, on a serious? Are you pregnant or not? Bro. Yeah, I'm pregnant. When you gonna have a daughter? Not for now. I want a daughter though, but I feel like I'm just getting started in my career, so and I need a man, pantapait. So I'm gonna in a no rush to get that. So no baby soon, because I'm gonna have to build with that man. The album is not gonna be a strictly dancehall album. It won't be a dancehall album. So I don't want anybody to think that it's pure dancehall gonna be in the album. No. I'm gonna showcase my talents. That's all I can say. Are you happy now? I'm very happy now. I feel like I'm so happy now. It's like I'm anxious at the same time. Because like, oh, what to expect? Since I put in so much work, what's gonna happen? I'm happy. I just want to make more music. Are you still dropping the song tomorrow? Yes, I'm still dropping the song tomorrow. As I said, it's gonna be released in the day. It's a video and a song. So join me on live tomorrow on YouTube. Make sure you go and subscribe so you can get notified for when the video is releasing. Want to hear you sing Good Comforts. Why? No dancehall. No, I never seen a dancehall on the album. I just saying it's not a strictly dancehall album.